Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of DeAgostini's Build Your Own X-Wing. Another unique episode with this issue. Something different to do. So let's get on with the magazine part, and then we'll get on with the building part. We're still talking about Y-Wings, cockpit close-ups. They put in so much detail, and filmmaking astounds me. There's so much that they put in that I don't see. You probably see it subconsciously, but I wouldn't notice if this pipe wasn't there. You know, it's one of those things that I'm constantly in awe by people that think about doing these things. So yeah, there we go. Han Solo, I believe I've heard of that character. And something, I don't know, that ship looks familiar as well, but yeah. There we go. That's that. A bit more about the Vulcan. You know what the picture on the back's going to be, don't we? Right. This week, we are building the wing mechanism support. This is obviously not what we're building yet. We've done some of this bit down the front, but obviously this is all still to come. And we're getting close. We're only 31 issues away from the end. So the final stretch is on its way, but yeah. Right. Included in this issue, we have some parts that we're not going to be using and some parts that we are going to be using. We've got some screws, some nice thick metal bars, which are the wing pivot rods, which we're not going to be using yet. A little end brace, and another big chunk of plastic with some wires and some little switches. I'm assuming that these are to do with the wing opening, so it stops the motor when it opens and stops the motor when it's fully closed. Probably. We'll find that out later, much later, no doubt. Right, so let's have a look. We are assembling the rear fuselage. So we need to take the base that we had previously, the one that we didn't actually build anything on. Everything apart from the metal pivots, which we'll be doing later. Right, so we're not using that quite yet. We're taking this bit and this bit. And the brace, oh, it's going across there. That's nice and easy. You've just got two pins that go across there. Right, yeah, that's where it goes. Take the end brace, line it up with the holes. Right, the holes don't actually line up. They're quite a little way off, so that's obviously why we need a brace. So that's got to go in there, and then that's got to bend open a little bit. So that one fits in there. Cool, that does the job. Now we're taking this whole thing and putting it in there by the looks of it. So which way round is it? It's that way round. Going in there, taking care not to trap the wires. Yeah. Make sure it fits all the way down. So where are these wires? I'll put them through there, I think. That needs to go in there. And it does indeed fit all the way into the base there. Okay. Place using a screw in this hole. That hole. It's not attached to anything. Oh no, that hole down there. That's where he's pointing. Right. Let's get a screw on the screwdriver and aim for that hole there. Put that in there just so it fits. Another one over the other side down there. Okay, so far so good. Then 3 more screws. Right, because only one side has got some. Right, so we've got these 2 at the back. That one there. That one there. And then there is one on one side of this, but not on the other, strangely enough. Okay, so we're going all the way down there. There's a screw hole there. So now they're all in, we can tighten them all down. And everything should be nice and secure. Tight, quite substantial as well. It's getting big. When we start putting bits together, I'm going to have to start thinking about new storage facilities and indeed increasing my camera angle to get it all on screen at once. Although, saying that, I wasn't on screen then, but you know what I mean. So there we go, that's all of those done and tightened up, and that completes the assembly of this stage. Keep the unused pivot rods safely until it's time to fit the wings in place. They're obviously going to go through here. Yeah, they're just the right length to go through. Yeah, they'll fit from the back there and those bottom ones. and they will hold the wings in place, and then the gearbox will fit in there somewhere, and we'll be good to go. So yes, that was today's build. The picture on the back, we've got a more cartoony, it's like a storyboard, that's the word I couldn't think of. Yeah, that's quite nice. Bit of history, sort of. So yeah, that was that. That's issue 69. I do have issue 70, so I shall be filming that, editing that, and it should be good for you tomorrow. So see you soon for that. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.